we have words like here. So it's here, there, where. It's here. So these are all place ones when it's like that. It's whereas this kind of here is to do with your ear. That's why we've got ear. You hear with your ear. Now, have a look at this one. I love this one. Rehearsed. Now, it's your ear, and you hear, you rehearsed it. When you rehearsed something, you do it again and again. You rehear it. So rehearsed. But we now say rehearsed because we've got sloppy. It's kind of fun, isn't it? And that will do. See you soon. Bye-bye.